What's up, everybody? Last session of the day. Torque the wheels down. It's 3:21, so I think I'm gonna be short. Yeah. All right, appreciate it. You want to come with? Yeah.
I don't have the band. It's all good. I'll get a video.
You don't hear a band?
You don't?
No, you're fine.
Yeah, you gotta help.
Yeah, you want to grab from the back seat of my truck? That side, yep. It's in a bag. Oops. Last time.
Thank you.
Of course. What it's about, man. Yeah, they don't care.
Alright, good.
They're cool over here. They won't say nothing. They usually don't even look. Let me know if you're good on that. My tires are shot. This is my last session, so it might get a little sketchy.
The tires are cold too, right?
And they're all right.
Okay.
I was just out there, so.
Okay.
See? Got a little slidier out here.
Oh my God, look at that.
Thanks. Keep it low a little bit. Yeah, so they don't see it. You can record, but just keep it a little low.
Oh, you got it.
Good?
Good catch. That was awesome.
Thanks. My tires are just ass.
That was awesome.
Beautiful Mark V coming up behind me. Slow down a little bit, let him pass. I think it sounds nice. I just need some aero on this thing.
What's that?
I just need aero. Like aerodynamics.
Oh, yeah.
If I had that, you know, my back end would be planted really good.
Yeah, that big ass wing, yeah.
Yeah. Bad, it's wide. You good?
That is good. This is great. I need that wang. look how nice he grips. And I need some wheels and tires. I want to go square setup. This one, your wheels are pretty burned through.
What's up?
Did you burn through your wheels?
My tires are donezo, yeah.
Oh, okay.
About them right there. He just got way more power than I do.
I know, but it's enough.
I want more power. I missed my Turbo S.
Dude, the turbo was so fun. I hit 130 on this straight. Remember I told you?
Yeah,
It was crazy. You okay?
Oh yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Let me know if you want to pull off, okay?
Whatever you want, yeah.
As long as you're good, I'm good. How'd that feel? Good?
Yeah.
That felt really good. Tires warming up. There you go. He got some brake fade. He's trying to cool down. Yeah, my tires are gripping really good right now. This might be my fastest lap session. Do you feel that? That's how good they're gripping? Middle. How was it?
Pretty good, pretty good. You got better lines, 100%.
What?
Your line is so much better.
Oh, is it?
Oh, yeah.
Appreciate it, man.
Oh,
Thank
yeah.
you. I I guarantee that car is way faster than this one is, though.
Yeah, horsepower, weight,
Yeah.
probably pretty close.
There you go. I like it. And he's gone.
Might have the straight line power, but you can actually hit a line in a corner.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I appreciate that, man. Thank you.
No, seriously, that was.
I'm practicing my butt off.
So.
Good stuff, man. You weren't too scared, right?
No. I to be honest, I just assumed that you were in control the whole time, so I don't know.
Oh yeah. I am.
Yeah, I figured. So I wasn't really. I was like, I'm fine with it.
Hell
But,
yeah.
dude, that. I actually got it on video.
Oh hell yeah, you did? I gotta check that out.
That was. That's
Yeah,
probably
I've only spun out once here, and I got right back on.
Well,
Like,
I feel like if you don't go deep backwards in the grass, you're good.
oh yeah. No, I did. I caught it. You know, I went and I caught it, and I just kept on going.
Yeah, so then you're good. Yeah, if you catch it like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you're fine. That was. No, what you did was. You know what? To be honest, you might actually have the best lines out of the three guys that went with.
Oh no way.
I'm not even.
I appreciate it, man.
So if you're in the, you in the turbo, you know your lap time in the turbo.
I'm about to find out. I have it on video, so I'm gonna watch
You
the
do?
video, and then I also have the GPS tracker, so we're gonna check it out.
So he got 133.
133.
Yeah, so in the turbo, you might have beat that.
Let me figure it out right now. I'll check it out. Hey, thanks for joining, guys. What was your name?
Nathan.
Nathan, thanks for joining me,
It
Nathan.
was fantastic.
I'm glad, man.
Fantastic.
I love this car. It's not a Turbo S, but it gets the job done. So, hey, stay tuned for the Turbo S videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
So that was seriously, that was phenomenal.
Thanks, brother. Hey, what's up, guys?